Okay, so solve natin itong problem na to. Congressman Saldico, former Speaker Martin Romualdez, and President Bongbong Marcos PBBM are all running in the same direction with an initial speed of 25 meter per second. PBBM is 73.5 meter behind Martin Romualdez. However, Martin begins to slow down due to fatigue, causing him to decelerate at a constant rate of 3 meter per second squared, while PBBM continues at a constant speed. After how many seconds will PBBM catch up with Martin Romualdez? So, bali, parang ganito, no?
Takbo ng mabilis. Takbo. Kagaya ni Papa.
Okay, so solve natin itong problem na to. So, parang ganito na. So, bali, yung goal natin dito is ma-solve natin yung time of overtaking. No? So, parang ganito. Overtake niya si Martin Romualdez, no? Dapat mabilis talaga yung takbo, no? Baka mahuli ng ano eh. Okay? So, bali, si PBBM is 73.5 meter behind, no? Nitong si Marking Buaya dito, no? Si Martin Romualdez. And so si PBBM, yung initial speed niya is 25 meter per second. That is being maintained, no? Kumbaga, naka-constant velocity si PBBM. So 25 meter per second at this point hanggang dito, no? 25 meter per second. So kumbaga, since constant yung velocity ni PBBM, so we will be using the case 1. The only formula na pwedeng natin gamitin is yung velocity versus time. Kasi dito, yung velocity natin is constant. So bali, kung mag-reference tayo dito at the initial point kung saan galing si PBBM, so bali yung magiging distance travel niya at the point of overtaking, ito yun, is yung 25 times yung time, no, of overtaking. So, sabihin natin yung time of overtaking is just simply t. So, kumbaga, yung total distance na i-travel ni PBBM is 25 nung t. With regards naman kang Martin Romualdez, sabi dito sa problem, lahat sila na may initial speed, pati si Martin Romualdez, meron din siyang speed na 25 meter per second. Kaso malaki yung tiyan niya, so 'di ba? So kaya mabilis siyang manghina na. Malaking buhaya no. So slow down due to fatigue na, causing him to decelerate at a constant rate of -3 meter per second. Pero yung mastermind mauna talaga 'yun, no? Walang pagod-pagod sa mastermind, no? Okay? So bali yung case ni Martin Romualdez, naka constant acceleration. So, meron tayong tatlong formula na pwedeng gamitin para dyan. So, pag case 2 ka, pag constant velocity, ito yan, ha? Pero pag constant yung acceleration, meron kang tatlong formula na pwedeng gamitin. Yung V2 equals V1 plus yung acceleration times yung time, na. Pwede yan, ha? Pwede rin yung V2 squared equals sa V1 squared plus yung twice ng acceleration tsaka yung distance. No? Pwede rin yung distance is equal nung initial velocity multiplied nung time plus 1/2 nung acceleration then time squared. No? So since yung gusto ko lang naman makuha dito yung initial point ni Martin Romualdez hanggang dito sa point of overtaking, so ito na lang yung part, itong formula 3 na lang yung gamitin ko. So, bali yung distance na i-travel niya is yung initial velocity which is yung 25 meter per second multiplied ng time which is yung time overtaking which is yung t. Then plus 1/2, yung acceleration is deceleration kasi sabi niya dito nag-decelerate si Martin Romualdez. No? Kasi napagod kakatakbo. No? So, meron siyang deceleration na -3. So, kumbaga this is plus 1/2 nung -3 then times squared. No? So, parang ganito. So, ngayon, kung makikita mo sa figure, it's very obvious na yung 73.5 meter plus itong 25t plus 1/2 ng -3t squared. Diba? Ito yan. Tanggalin ko muna yung mga marks natin. Bali, ito yan. Itong distance na to, plus ito is equal sa 25t. Diba? Obvious mangayo. No? Yung line na to, tsaka yung line na to, parallel. So, meaning they share the same distance. So, 25t is equal ng 73.5 plus yung 25t plus 1 half ng negative 3t squared. So, if we use our calculator para makalculate natin yung value ng t, so we will have 73.5 plus ng 25t plus yung 1 half nung negative 3 then time squared. So, meron kang time squared. So, uso na ngayon yung takbo-takbo ngayon, ha? Kasi ano na no? Na nagkakantahan na sila, di ba? So, malapit nang magtatakbuhan to, no? So, yan na, no? So, the answer is 7 seconds. Okay? Ayan, no? Okay? So, yan yung sagot.
Takbo, takbo ng mabilis. Takbo, takbo. Kagaya ni Papa.
Okay.